Now friends, going into a digital world, regularly we are using the mobiles, laptop to access the internet, to visit the websites. Many businesses are using the QR code so that user can scan the QR code and visit their websites like cafes, hotels, bars, any event. Event organizers are also creating the QR code of their event so that users can scan the QR code and visit their website. So, have you thought how they are creating the QR code for their websites? It's too easy. No need to download any third party application or software. You can create into mobile or laptop also. So, let's see how to create the QR code. So, I'll visit to the Facebook. So, we'll try to create the QR code for this your website. So my browser is up to date, so no need to make any changes in my browser setting. If your browser is not updated, please update. Else I will show you the settings in last also. How to get that option for to create the QR code. No need to download any third-party software application, or no need to do high-level coding for this. So just visit the website and right click on anywhere in the screen. There is one option here, create QR code for this page. So click on that option and within a second it will generate a QR code. So you can see here the website www.facebook.com. You can see here also www.facebook.com. So you can copy or download also in PNG format. So I will do both things. First I will do the copy and download also. Save it. So you can copy a QR code into the Word to print copied QR code. You can save and print it as per your requirement in size and all things. So let's see how to, if you are not seeing this QR code option, how to enable this one. So go to the search bar and search Chrome colon slash slash flags slash. So you can use any browser, Brave, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you have. Instead of Chrome, just mention that browser name Edge for a Microsoft Edge, Brave for Brave, and remaining will be same. Press enter. So you can search here QR to generate the QR code. As my browser is already up to date, so it is not showing me. Default enable that option here. So if your browser is old version, search the QR there. There will be one option downside for QR. So default it will be option will be default. Click on the drop down button beside default and click on enable. After this making the changes, it will ask for the relaunch. So I'm not making changes here as it is not there. So you can make changes for your website. After relaunching the browser, you will see this option create QR code for this page. So you can create QR code for any website like this. Thank you guys.